Hello everyone. In earlier part 1 and part 2, I had given detailed analysis of act 3 scene first from line 1 to line 40. Today I am going to explain line from 41. 41 line start from the speech of Shylock. Shylock, all of you know, सभी लोग जानते होंगे ना Shylock को. Shylock, there I have another bad match, a bankrupt, a prodigal who dares scarce show his head on the Rialto, a beggar that was used to come so smug upon the mart. Let him look to his pond. This is a speech showing a bit happiness, a bit anger, too much energy which Shylock is feeling after hearing the news that something has happened with Antonio. Shylock is very happy. लेकिन जो ये फर्स्ट लाइन है, this first line, there I have another bad match, he is saying that this is another bad match, this is another bad news. This is fully ironical line. All of you can understand irony. Ironical means there is some surface meaning or a inner meaning. Surface meaning or inner meaning means literal meaning or basic meaning. मतलब there is difference. On the surface level, अगर हम ऊपर से ले तो Shylock क्या कहना चाह रहा है? I have another bad match. Oh God. This is another bad match. This is another bad bargain. This is another bad news for me. ये तो मेरे लिए दूसरी बहुत बुरी खबर है. पहली बुरी खबर क्या थी? Elopement of Jessica ना. तो Shylock was very sad because of the elopement of Jessica. Now he is saying, oh, this is another bad match because you are saying that Antonio's ship has been wrecked or something about Antonio. इस स्पीच से ये क्लियर हो रहा है कि Shylock has some information about the wreckage of Antonio, but he has no confirmation, and now he is hearing from the mouth of Salarino or Salenio such type of news, so he thinks that it is really a correct news, it is not a rumor. Now he is saying a bankrupt. Oh, very good. A prodigal. Who is bankrupt? Who is prodigal? Shylock is saying that now Antonio is a bankrupt. Now Antonio is prodigal. Now Antonio has been proved a prodigal. Bankrupt you can understand very clearly. Now his ship has been wrecked. Too much losses he has faced, and because of too much losses he is unable to pay money. Bankrupt the person who? A person who can pay back, who can pay the debt of many people from whom he has taken money, so that person is declared bankrupt. और इसको Shylock ने प्रोडिगल भी यूज़ किया है. प्रोडिगल अगर हम क्रिश्चियन मिथोलॉजी में जाएं या बाइबल से जो कोटेशन है उसको लें तो प्रोडिगल मीन्स अ पर्सन हु स्पेंड्स मनी लेविशली. तो हियर दिस वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर एंटोनियो. प्रोडिगल इज यूज्ड फॉर एंटोनियो. व्हाई? Because he mismanages his business, because he has given Vassenio 3,000 ducats without asking how he will utilize this money. Or Antonio knows very well that Vassenio will not utilize. Vassenio very easily, lavishly will spend all the money. Or first thing कि Antonio mismanages his business. So Shylock is saying कि now he is prodigal, now he is bankrupt. Who did now? अब क्या बात कर रहा है Shylock? Past की. Who dare scare show his head on Rialto? मतलब Shylock कह रहा है कि एंटोनियो जो है in past came to Rialto with so much proud. बहुत प्राउड के साथ आता था कि I am a big merchant, I am फलाना ये और वो. Now, dear is scared. Dear, no courage. Now Antonio has no courage. Scared? Hardly. Now Antonio hardly any courage to show his face on the yard. Antonio has no courage to show his face in the Rialto now. a beggar. After semicolon, Shylock is using the word a beggar. Why? Antonio's condition is like a beggar now. So Shylock is addressing Antonio as a beggar. That was used to come so smug upon the mart. He is saying Antonio was so proud that he was habitual to come to the mart, to the market, to Rialto, so smug, so smiling face, so silly smile, with such a silly or self-satisfying smile. He had to come to Rialto. Now he is a beggar. Shylock became very happy. Let him look to his bond. Now the time has come. I will show him his bond and I am ready to take revenge from him. He was wont to call me usurer. Antonio want to, habitual to. Antonio want to means habitual to call me usurer. मतलब शाइलॉक का यहाँ पर क्या है, एक पेन सामने आ रहा है, पेन, दर्द, कि Antonio used to call me usurer. Usurer, a person who takes money after lending money. ठीक है, who takes interest after lending money. तो that's not a bad thing, but in Christianity it is a sin to take gratis or to take money on lending money. So Antonio had to call him, announced, declared that Shylock is a usurer. Or now the pain of Shylock, you can see that Shylock is saying, oh, he called me usurer or something. Let him look to his bond. Now the time has come. I have shown him his bond. अब मैं उसको उसका bond दिखाऊंगा. He was wont to lend money for a Christian courtesy. Antonio is the person. Antonio ही वही व्यक्ति है जो लोगों को मनी दिया करता था ऑन द नेम ऑफ क्रिश्चियन कर्टसी, ऑन द नेम ऑफ क्रिश्चियन काइंडनेस. वो लोगों को मनी देता था, इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेता था और ऐसे शो करता था कि इंटरेस्ट इसलिए नहीं ले रहा है क्योंकि क्रिश्चियन काइंडनेस शो कर रहा है वो. तो वो क्रिश्चियन काइंडनेस के नाम पर लोगों को मनी दिया करता था. लेट हिम लुक टू हिज बॉन्ड. अब मैं उसको दिखाऊंगा कि उसका बॉन्ड अब वो मेरे क्लचेस में है, अब वो मेरे हाथों से बाहर नहीं जा सकता. तो Shylock's happiness, Shylock's energy, a bit anger, you can see in this speech. And now this anger increased. And next speech of Shylock, you can justify that Shylock's demand to take 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio in somewhat, not properly, in somewhat correct. What Shylock will do then? Na? Shylock has no other option. What? He is a Jew and Antonio is a Christian, and the Christian was doing very, very wrong thing with the Jew. So what to do? Huh? Now Salarino is reacting on Shylock's speech. He is saying, why? Well, I am sure, sir. I am sure if he forfeit, fail to pay. If Antonio fail to pay the money, if Antonio in future is unable to pay the money, thou wilt not take his flesh. You will not take his flesh now. Well, he is asking Shylock, you are not so cruel to take the flesh of somebody. No, na? What is that good for? Then he is asking, what is the use of human flesh? No use. If you want a human flesh, no use, na? No use of human flesh. What you will do of that human flesh? Shylock. Now Shylock's very famous speech. He is saying, oh, you are asking me, na? You are asking me what is good for, what I will do of that flesh. Okay, I answer you. To bat fish with her. I will use that flesh, human flesh, to feed fish, to give food to fish. मैं मछलियों को चारे के लिए यूज कर लूँगा, मछलियों को चारे के रूप में उसको दे दूँ. ह्यूमन फ्लैश, I can use it. ठीक है, ये तो आंसर दिया उसने सैलेरिनो के क्वेश्चन का। अब शाइलॉक का जो रियल ग्रज है, रियल पेन है, वो आता है सामने। इफ इट विल फीड नथिंग एल्स, इट मीन्स ह्यूमन फ्लैश, एंटोनियोस फ्लैश, 1 पाउंड फ्लैश विल फीड नथिंग, विल सेटिस्फाई नथिंग। अगर ये ह्यूमन फ्लैश कुछ भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, इट विल फीड माई रिवेंज, तो ये मेरे रिवेंज को सेटिस्फाई करेगा। मतलब अब बिल्कुल सामने इसकी जो भी क्या कह सकते हैं, जो भी इसकी अंदर की जो फीलिंग्स हैं टू सैटिएट द फीलिंग ऑफ रिवेंज, वो साफ साफ कह रहा है सैलेरिनो से कि आई वॉन्ट रिवेंज एनी हाउ, आई वॉन्ट। And if I have taken 1 pound flesh from the body of Antonio, so it's very good for me. If he will die, it's very good for me because I want revenge. He had, अब वो बता रहा है कि एंटोनियो ने मेरे साथ क्या क्या किया। He had disgraced me and hindered me 500,000, laughed at my losses, mocked at my gains, scorned my nation, thwarted my bargains, cooled my friends, hated my enemies, and what is his reason? He had disgraced me. He has insulted me. उसने मेरी बहुत इंसल्ट की है। ओके। Hindered me 500,000. He caused a loss 500,000 in 500,000 ducats. मतलब in some business उसने मुझे लगभग 500,000 का लॉस करवाया। Laughed at my losses. He laughed at my losses. ये मेरे नुकसान पर हंसता था। Mocked at my gains, and if I gained too much, then he mocked, he made a fun of it. Scorned my nation. This is the person who scorned, who hated my tribe. Thwarted my bargains. He is the person who thwarted, who insulted, who interfered with my bargains. Interfered with my bargains means मतलब अगर मेरी किसी से बात चल रही है और वो मुझसे मनी लैंड लेना चाह रहा है, तो ये बीच में आ जाता था और इंटरफियर करता था और फिर कहीं ना कहीं मेरा नुकसान होता था। कूल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स, सॉरी या करेक्ट, कूल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स, ही कूल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स, ही डिक्रीज माई फ्रेंड्स। इसने मेरे फ्रेंड्स को कम कर दिया, मतलब मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स की क्वांटिटी थी, नंबर्स थे, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज बिहेवियर या हिज स्कोल्डिंग या हिज एटीट्यूड, मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो डिक्रीज होते गए। हेटेड माई एनिमीज, इसी ने, यही है, इसी की वजह से मेरे एनिमीज जो है वो इंक्रीज होते गए। व्हाट इज हिज रीजन? टेल मी व्हाई एंटोनियो हैड डन ऑल दीज थिंग्स विद मी। नाउ ही इज आंसरिंग his own questions. He is saying, I am a Jew. Antonio had done all this. Why? Because I am a Jew. Now he is asking Salerno, and you also feel pain what he is asking. Mother, this is the perfect example of racial discrimination. Racial discrimination between Jew and Christian at that time. तो अब शाइलॉक कह रहा है, hath not a Jew eyes? क्या जीव की आंखें नहीं होती? Hath not a Jew hands? क्या जीव के हाथ नहीं होते? Organs नहीं होते? Dimensions नहीं होते? Dimensions all the gestures of personality. Limbs means senses नहीं होते? उनमें affections, emotions नहीं होते? Passions, feelings नहीं होती? बताइए, नहीं होता क्या हमें? तो we have same eyes as Christians have, same hands Christians have, organs Christians have, senses Christians have, affections Christians have, passions Christians have. So why they had treated me in another way? Why? Feed with the same food. जो food वो खाते हैं वही food हम खाते हैं. Hurt with the same weapons. हमको भी hurt या injury होती है same weapon से. Subject to the same disease. हम भी subject to हैं, inclined to हैं, कोई disease हो जाती है तो हमें भी हो सकती है, उन्हें भी हो सकती है. Healed by the same means. जिस मीन्स से वो रिकवर होते हैं, क्योर होते हैं, उसी से हम भी क्योर हो सकते हैं. Warmed and cooled by the same winter and summer as a Christian is. हमें भी वार्म, हमें भी गर्मी लगती है, हमको भी ठंडक महसूस होती है जब विंटर या समर होता है, जैसे कि क्रिश्चियन को होता है. तो वेयर इज द डिफरेंस? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? व्हाई दे आर बिहेविंग लाइक अस? Why they are behaving against us? We are also human being, they are also human being. What is the difference? If you prick us, अगर आप हमें सुई चुभेंगे, do we not bleed? बताइए, क्या हमारे ब्लड नहीं निकलेगा बॉडी में? If you tickle us, अगर आप हमको गुदगुदी करेंगे, do we not laugh? क्या हम हंसेंगे नहीं? If you poison us, अगर आप हमें जहर देंगे, do we not die? तो क्या हम नहीं मरेंगे? And if you wrong us, और अगर आप हमारे साथ गलत करेंगे, shall we not revenge? तो क्या हम बदला नहीं लेंगे? क्यों नहीं लेंगे? If we are like you in the rest, अगर हम ऊपर की सारी चीजों में, बची हुई सारी चीजों में आपकी तरह हैं, we will resemble you in that, तो इस चीज में भी हम आपको resemble करेंगे, हम भी बदला लेंगे. If a Jew wrong a Christian, सोचिए, अगर एक Jew एक क्रिश्चियन के साथ गलत करता है, what is his humility? तो उस क्रिश्चियन की ह्यूमिलिटी क्या होगी, उस क्रिश्चियन का एटीट्यूड क्या होगा? आप कहेंगे रिवेंज, बदला लेगा, भाई क्रिश्चियन है बदला लेगा. अब मान लीजिए उल्टा कर देते हैं. इफ अ क्रिश्चियन रॉन्ग अ ज्यू, अगर एक क्रिश्चियन एक ज्यू के साथ रॉन्ग करता है, व्हाट शुड हिज सफरेंस बी बाय क्रिश्चियन एग्जाम्पल? तो उस ज्यू का सफरेंस क्या होना चाहिए, टॉलरेंस क्या होना चाहिए, एटीट्यूड क्या होना चाहिए, क्रिश्चियन एग्जाम्पल को फॉलो करते हुए बताइए. ज्यू को क्या करना चाहिए? Why? Well, revenge. उसे भी तो रिवेंज लेना चाहिए. The villainy you teach me, जो विलेनी एंटोनियो, जो विलेनी क्रिश्चियंस, जो आप हमें विलेनी सिखा रहे हैं, जो आप हमें क्रूअल एटीट्यूड सिखा रहे हैं, हाउ टू टेक रिवेंज, आई विल एग्जीक्यूट. मैं उसी क्रूअल एटीट्यूड को क्या करूंगा, एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा. एंड इट शैल गो हार्ड, और सिचुएशन और हार्ड जाएगी. वाई? बट आई विल बेटर द इंस्ट्रक्शन, क्योंकि आई एम अ ज्यू and I follow the instruction in a better way. If you are teaching me how to take revenge, then I will do this action in a better way. So take a distance, make a distance from me. This is very energetic, full of anger, too much grudges. You can see this speech. This is very, very, very famous speech, very important also. Okay, for today only this.